Hey guys, one wallet to show you today. It's really cool. I spent a lot of time on it and I hope somebody can buy it from me. But anyways, on the front it's got this stickable me chrome wallet with orange letters and the black groove on the back. This is what it looks like when I open it up. And if you wanted to know, my measurements are 9 inches by like 3 inches. I'm going to cut it in case it's not straight, so it might be a little shorter than 3 inches. But anyways, it's got a coin pouch. Open it right here. Coin pouch. And something for making this, it came into a little pocket behind that. So yeah. On the inside, I'll start with the right side. Yeah. It's got an ID. As you can see, I already put the card in there, and orange and black. And the card comes out right here. Get it to come out. And then it's got pockets. It's got one pocket here. Card fits very nicely. For orange pockets with black outline. And another pocket right here. So I hope somebody can buy this from me. I spent a lot of time on it, and it's really cool. So yeah. And I hope more people can start entering my contest, because duct tape is Super Laffy Taffy 88 entered, and I'm hoping some more people can enter, so it's not just one person. That would be kind of stupid. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.